Well, we just signed the papers today for this property. Sorry about that. The gnats are like vultures here. The driveway's pretty horrible, wet. I don't know if you want to see it. Yeah. Needs some tension, needs some stone. So that's like one of the first things we're going to do here. Well, we'll go through the woods. I know there's some trees down in the trails and they need attention too. So we'll load the quad and we'll strap everything down and we'll get going. So this is the first one we're doing. It's an old ash tree dead. I don't know if that's coon poop or coyote or fox, but you can see the ash borers bending it. So I just got to cut it up. My favorite tool, believe it, in the woods is this. It's called a hook, a rune. Has a point at it. You can stab things and drag. I'm a welder by trade, so I'm spent 85% of the day bent over. My back is killing me. So more or less I have to bend over, the better. That one's cooked good. That's it. So on the property, this is one of my favorite spots. It's a lot of the bigger trees. I mean, it's 57 acres and it's, I would say, 90%, 95% sugar maples. And I would say 5% maybe oak, and the other 5% ash. But this is one of my favorite areas. It's just wide open, you know, but still a good amount of trees. Then we got that tree right there. It's hard to judge, but that's a pretty big maple right in there. I like this hill. It's kind of neat. There's another cool place I'll show you. But I'm very happy with this purchase. I think it's a very good idea to get into the sugaring with this, because I'm figuring there's probably about 4,000 taps, hopefully 5. That'd be nice. But then we're towards the eastern side of it, the property. So if I go further east, I don't know, maybe 500-600 yards in that direction is the other partial land. The guy I bought it from split it because I couldn't pay for the whole property and the sugar business at the same time. So I need to get equipment and lines and hire people to do the lines and all the other fun junk I got to do. He has another 74 acres east to us, and I am going to sign a contract with him so I can tap that. It doesn't have as many maples. Like this is, I bought the better end of it. Yeah, I'd still say he probably has 3,000 to 4,000 taps on that 74 acres. So it's going to be a great time. Very busy this year. Between the logging, I'm hoping I can get a logger in here fast. Probably they're going to be the Amish and use their horses so they don't rut up everything too bad. Then we'll get putting up lines. I'll show you the other piece of property I really like, and that's the west end of it. And be back in a flash. So we're down at the western side. As you can tell, it is a lot different. A lot of young growth, I would say, I don't know, 30, 40 years. The other ones were a lot bigger than this, but they're still tappable size, you know. But the reason why I'm taking you down here, it's really cool. This is pretty enjoyable. Probably 100 or so, maybe 200 years old. But this is why it goes all the way up. Property line. And you got the old, looks like a paint top posted. Kind of neat for the neighboring property. But yeah, that rock wall is kind of cool. It's about 3 feet high. That's a lot of rocks. I don't know where they found them all, but a long distance. But I'm gonna call it a day, because I'm getting eaten alive by gnats. It's been pretty bad here, but I just wanted to show you guys the property that I just purchased today. I signed it today, and I'm out here clearing trails, getting ready. But yeah, everything's maple, hard maple. Yeah. Hey guys, thanks for watching the video. If it seemed kind of weird, it's because it was. I'm nervous. I'm new at this. My editing is horrible. And the gnats were actually driving me crazy. I could barely think. It was so bad. So if you like it, please hit the like button. And if you want to subscribe, that'd be great too. Thank you.